ASUS ROG Strix G17 G713 gaming laptop. .3 WQHD IPS, 204 Hz, AMD 12-core Ryzen 9 7845HX, i9 20900H, 32GB DDR5 Dual-Ductile Plus BUR SSD, GeForce RTX for Series 6C HB. USB-C RGB backlit Win 11 Black plus 32GB microSD card. Way powerful storage, 122GB DDR5 SRAM memory, 2TB plus 2TB solid-state drive. ASUS ROG Strix G17 G713 laptop Ryzen 7. AMD 12-core, Ryzen 9 7845HX processor. Base frequency. Strong graphics and display. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 8GB graphic dedicated. AMD Radeon 610 nm integrated 17.3 WQHD 2566 1440 IPS 240 Hz display DCI P3 100% anti-glare 3ms response time G-Sync MUX switch Paula's NVIDIA Advanced external ports and slots TUS USB-A 3.2 1 UART USB-C 3.2 DisplayPort, power delivery, G-Sync, 1 UART USB. Dolby Atmos audio, AI noise cancelling technology, AuraSync light bar, 720p HD camera, Bluetooth 5.3, accessory, including a 32GB microSD card.